I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the touch screen to wake feature. Basically the feature that allows you to just touch your screen to wake it up so you can see notifications and you can see the time. Now, to enable or disable, just go to settings. Under settings, go to display, and then under display, you should see the option touch screen to wake. Now this feature can only be accessible if you have the always on display disabled. Okay, so if you have the always on display on, you'll notice this is grayed out. Okay, so you have to come here and turn off the always on display, because if the always on display is enabled, that means the screen is always on, so there's really no point in having that feature. So you have to turn the always on display off so that you can have the touch screen to wake feature, and then from here you can disable or enable. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.